everyone. Today I am going to do an experiment. For that I need a bowl, a bottle filled with water, net like cloth, rubber band and a small stick. So first we will take a bottle and tie a cloth on the tip of the bottle with the help of rubber band. Now we will turn the bottle upside down. Now slowly we will remove our hand from the top of the bottle. You can see that the water stops flowing. And if we put the stick in the bottle, it goes up. As you can see, it's because the pressure difference between the air in the tip of the bottle and the outside atmosphere is large enough to contract the force exerted by gravity on the water. It will stop flowing out, and at that point, help in by the pressure difference from the air inside the bottle to the atmosphere outside. As you will slightly side the bottle, the water will come out, as you can see. Thank you for watching the video.